Hi everybody, Dave here from Charest Studios, and today we're going to be taking a look at my studio lights. I purchased these a few months back, and these are by Wisamic, and it comes as a set of two. I'll show you both of them in a minute. But I've had them for a few months now. I think it's been before the new year, so it's been over a few months. Anyway, I want to give you my thoughts on these lights by Wisamic. It's a two-set kit, and it comes with a nice carrying case and everything, so let me show you what it's all about. Here's my setup with these two lights, and I think that they have really improved my videos having these lights on. I'm going to go sit where I usually do, and with the remote I'll turn them off, and you guys can see the difference with them on and with them off. Of course, the camera will compensate, but I think you'll still see that the with the lights is much better than without the lights. Okay, so this is how I usually set it up, although I usually have these lights a little bit further back than this, but I wanted to have them where you can see them go on and off, so I brought them closer. And this is the carrying case that they come with. I bought this set because they were in my budget, and I really like them. The only thing that I wish is it doesn't tell you what spectrum, or whether this is 5K, the temperature of the light. It does have an adjustment to the temperature where I can go up and down, but it doesn't tell me what it is. It doesn't tell you that, but for the price I think it's really good. I mean, yeah, it has a lot. You can move the intensity of the light up and down, and you can also change the temperature of the light up and down, as well as on and off with the light. So let me put them off for you guys, and one remote controls them both, but they do both have their own remote. So I'm going to turn that one off and turn that one off. So you can see that they really do make a big difference. I think that they're, I have to keep them pretty close because maybe the highest quality light or the highest output of light. But certainly when they're close, I think they do make all the difference in the world, and I think they do a good job for the price. I think they're a very good budget-friendly set of studio or photography lights. And like I said, they come with this nice little carry-all bag, and they the stands, the lights, the bulbs, everything you need to get started and improve your lighting is right there. So there you have it, my thoughts on these lights from Wisamic. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I do like these lights, and I do recommend them, especially if you want to get into improving your video or photography on a budget. So if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below and I will get back to you. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.